Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video for Eliot's Excel exercises. Today we'll be looking at the COUNTIF formula. Very similarly to the SUMIF formula, I've created this small little section right here on the screen where we will be counting how many instances of each account are found within our data set. So let's get right into it. We're going to start off by equals count. Fourth one down, you'll see COUNTIF. Go ahead and hit tab on that. The first thing it's asking you for is a range, and then you will need the criteria. So of course our range is this, or you can do the whole thing. That's no problem too. Remember to lock your cells like we learned the other video. Hit F4 right here. It puts the dollar signs in there in the formula for you. Hit comma, and the criteria is this number, the account number that we need. And remember, we don't want to lock this one because as we drag the formula down, we want the selection to also go down with it. Go ahead and hit enter on this. The first thing we see is the 3. Go ahead and drag this down. And then we have a 3, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 1, 1. So down here is a simple sum function, as you could see right here up in the formula bar. This is giving us a 21. And down here, we learned in the last video, or one of the other last videos where we were doing count or count A, we learned that there was basically 21 entries. Now, it doesn't specifically have to be in this column. We know if it's 1 for 1, right? If it's here, then it'll be here too, right? That's fair. So we know that this 21 and this 21, they balance and they're equal and they're fine. So what other way do we have to validate this? Because at a quick glance, we can count, okay, 45,000, there's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's not gonna work. So what I've done is I put a filter on my data. And the first thing we can do is hit this drop down. So last time I suggested you can unselect this and then you can select whichever account you want. Another way we can do this is by using this fancy search bar. I love it. So right here you can just type in 45,000. And without touching anything else, it already adds this selection, to this account to your selection, and it takes away everything else. So you can just hit OK on that. So right here we see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down here at the bottom, remember that there is the count 6, so we know that that's correct. Go ahead and select all again. Go back to our formula, and we have 45,000 account, right? So we know that the formula is working. There's really not much else to it. It really goes in tandem with the SUMIF. They both basically do the same thing. Yeah, and that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out my others in the playlist called Formulas. Have a good day.